In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Berkshire Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in berkshirebank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Berkshire Bank. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top section and you will be taken into the login portal. Now in order to create your new account, click on Enroll Now button underneath the user ID box. Now you will be taken to the enrollment page. Now you will simply need to go through 3 steps. Select an account type, read and accept your online disclosure and agreements, and then enter your account information for verification. So simply select which kind of account you want to create. Read the second option and click on the checkbox if they apply to you. Finally, check on the box to agree with the disclosure agreements and then click on the Continue button. After reading the disclosure, click on the Continue button and then you will be asked to enter all of your credentials. Just go ahead and enter your first and your last name, followed by the last 4 digits of your social security number. Then type it in once again to confirm it, followed by your email address and type it in once again to confirm it as well. Now enter your date of birth and your zip code, followed by your home phone number. Now just type in your account number, followed by your last statement balance. If this doesn't apply to you, then you can leave it as it is, and finally click on the Continue button. After that, you will be allowed to set up a password for your account. After that, your information will be verified through your phone or your email, and then you will be allowed to set up a password for your account. Then once you set up your user ID and your password, you can use these to continue with logging into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Berkshire Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.